Can you calculate this? I suppose all of you can. This means 9 plus 9, 18, and 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. This was quite simple. Can you solve this? 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, so on till 43 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 and so on 1079 times. So on means 2 is being added 1079 times, and here 9 is being added 43 times. Can you calculate this? All those who can, well and good. All those who can't, I just want to tell them this is nothing. This line means 43 times 9 is added. So this is actually equals to 43 times 9, which is equals to 9, 3 is 27. Means the answer is 387. Similarly, here 2 is added 1079 times. So this is equals to 1079 into 2, which is 2158. This is nothing. You have been taught this in class 3 or 4 when you were making tables. Suppose you were making table for 21. So 1 time 21 is this. 2 times 21 is this, 21 and 21. 3 times 21 is this. And 4 times 21 is this. Now to calculate them, you can add them also, or you can use the table also. So 21 is 21. 21 2 times, you can either add them up or you can write it like 21 into 2. Either you can add all 3 of them or you can write it like this. Either you can add all 4 of them or you can write it like this. So if I ask you to add these, so what you can do, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 21 is to be added 7 times. So we can say 7 times 21. So what did you learn here? The thing is, adding something many times is actually multiplication. Means if you have to add something many times, you can choose multiplication. And that's why you were taught multiplication. That's the role of multiplication. So what can we sum up here? Shortcut for repeated addition is multiplication. Now coming over to the next. Can you solve them? All of you can solve them. This is 81. 9 into 9 is 81. And this is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Now coming over to the little complex thing. Can you do this? It's 9 into 9 into 9 into 9, so on 43 times. To be noted here, this is the repeated addition and this is the repeated multiplication. Can you do this? It's little tedious because 9 into 9, 81, then 81 into 9, then the answer into 9, and so on till 43 times. Same here till 1079 times. Actually, here for adding many terms, we had a shortcut, and the shortcut was multiplication. Shortcut for repeated addition is multiplication. Here we don't have any shortcut, but yes, we do have a notation for it. So we don't have a shortcut for repeated multiplication, but we do have a notation for this. And the notation is, let's see here only. This is actually equals to 9 raised to power 43. And this is 2 raised to power 1079. We don't have an answer for this. We can calculate, we can multiply it 43 times, but that's gonna be tedious task. We can multiply it to 1079 times. We can, all of you can calculate, but you will spend many hours on this. But yes, we can write this full sentence in compact form like this and like this. And what is this? This is nothing, this is just convention. I told you in a class what a convention is. Convention is when many people agree up to some common thing. Means many mathematicians were sitting together and they just thought of how should we write this in compact form, and they decided this notation. So I'm telling you this notation. Now you should, whenever I write it, you should be able to repeat yourself. What does this mean? 9 raised to power 43 means 9 is multiplied 43 times. Okay. So